This is where the microphone is this is where the microphone sits, and below here I want to put some cables right there. So I'll try to, this one is adjustable for the headphones. I can put this one higher, and I want to put here just above the desk. This will sit just above the desk here. I can use any of these three. I think I'll put the big one here, just like this. Something like that, maybe the small one. One of the small ones. The desk is here, and I will put it on this edge, close to the edge. Spray with alcohol. Wipe clean. This is not an ideal surface for this. It should be something with better adhesion. Something like the desk itself is better. I could use the desk actually here. Don't know. Yeah, I could put this on the desk itself. So they go through this part of the desk. Maybe like that. Okay. Bit of spray, a bit of that. I think it would have much better grip here than on this one, but I could use both actually. I'll put one here, just like this, one here, and I'll also put one here, like that. I think that's the way. Or maybe three here, or maybe this 4 cable solution there. This one, I don't know what to do with it. I'll leave it. So yeah, let's do it. One will go here on the surface. Right there. Okay, it's inserted, and one goes here. Just like that. And I'm trying to avoid putting any cables that could go on this side, but there is a little bit of a gap here. The desk is moving, so it might move there, but I have the cables here. We'll see about that. And for example, this is one of the, this is actually the cable that's charging the camera now. This is the cable that's actually charging the camera now, and I could press it in there. So it sits in this place. I could actually put this one also. I could put it next to the other one. So they are all here. I don't think I need them somewhere else. So yeah, where's my spray? Surface. Wipe it. Some previous glue. Okay. want it to be useful, not to sit in the drawer, so I will put it there. Just like that. Maybe I could leave a bit of a gap between them, so they also act. The gap between them, I left a bit of a gap between them there, so this also acts like a cable thing. So between them we also have this gap, more functionality. So we have these ones, we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables, and then 4 cables. So this works. This works for 9 cables, 4 here, and these two combined of 2 plus 1 in the middle, like that. I think this is pretty good. Just like this. There is this thicker style of USB cable, this data transfer cable, and that also fits. This also fits here, so I think it's nice. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.